Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. It is not easy to be able to give a new direction to your life when you are forced to flee your country in a hurry, taking with you the bare minimum and having to take care of safeguarding two young children first and foremost. Yet, Mahdi and Tayyaba, two Afghan refugees, are making it. Thanks to their commitment, of course, first of all, but also thanks to the Don Bosco Nel Mondo Foundation and its project, We Are With You, which promotes an integrated and pilot system of reception, integration, training and social inclusion for Afghan families who have arrived in Italy thanks to the activation of humanitarian corridors and present today in Salesian realities. From 15 to 19 of January, the Salesian work in Khuborjylla hosted the first part of the Salesian spirituality formation organized by the Delegation for the Charism and Shared Mission. It was attended by 38 educators and administrative and service personnel from different houses and bodies from the Merry Help of Christians, Spain, SMX province. The Formation in Salesian Spirituality, FES, aims to offer educators and staff of Salesian houses and groups a formative experience that helps deepen the spiritual and pedagogical dimension of Don Bosco as an ever-permanent element of current renewal in Salesian educational activity. The delegation has organized this formation, which includes two planned parts, a first week of theoretical formation in Salesianity held this month in January, and a second week with a pilgrimage to the Salesian sites in Turin. The priestly ordination of Deacon Manuel Alejandro Urizar Mekler, SDB, took place on Saturday 20th of January at the temple of San Nicola de Tolentino. The sacrament was conferred by Monsignor Victor Hugo Palma, Bishop of the Diocese of Escuintla. Concelebrating with the bishop were Don Julio Navarro, Superior of the Salesian Province of Central America, CAM, and numerous Salesians from all over the province. The Cian Family Day has taken place since the Salesian Province of East Africa, AFE, was reshaped. The event was held at Don Bosco, Embu on Saturday 20th of January and was attended by over 300 people. Father TJ George, Superior of the AFE province, was the main celebrant at the Eucharistic celebration with various Salesian concelebrants. After the Mass, Father Michael Karikunel, Secretary General of the Conference of Provinces and Vice Provinces of Africa, Madagascar, CIVAM, presented the Rector Major Stena 2024, The Dream That Makes You Dream, a heart that transforms wolves into lambs. Several talks followed by representatives of the Salesian family groups. The new St. Joseph's Novitiate building in Brazzaville, belonging to the Africa Congo ACC Vice Province in the St. John Bosco community, Masengo, was inaugurated on the 19th of January. The building, financed thanks to the generosity of the Rector Major Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, will allow a better formation of novices. The inauguration took place while work was underway for the curatorium of the novitiate. The ceremony was presided over by Father Aurelian Mukangwa, Superior of the ACC Vice Province, with Vice Superior Father Sylvain Woto, Father Kevin Vomi, the ACC Economer, and Father Guillermo Bassanes, Superior of the Central African Province, AFC, who blessed the new building. Also present were Father Virgil Biyoge, Novice Director, and Father Jeremy Luzolo, Rector of Don Bosco Masengo, as well as various members of the Salesian family. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.